Sinking driveway, settling patio, collapsing stoop, uneven pool deck. It's a fact. Concrete problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Friday, the 17th of June. I'm James Spann. Another hot day for the state. However, we've got a line of strong storms coming down through North Alabama in advance of a push of drier air that will bring lower humidity values to the state over the weekend. Here we go. This is the upper air look across the country this afternoon. The center of the upper high shifting a little north and west of the state. We have a northwest flow aloft pushing a surface boundary down through here. That was the visible satellite view. Note the convective cluster over the Tennessee Valley, the northern third of the state. That was the radar composite about 2:30. Thunderstorms over North Alabama, some producing hail and strong winds. As I do this update, we have severe thunderstorm warnings in effect for parts of Marion and Lamar counties in northwest Alabama. Those are dropping southward pretty quickly. Temperatures behind that boundary only in the low 80s for Cullman and Haleyville. They've had some rain. Ahead of the boundary, mostly mid-90s. Birmingham at 93, Tuscaloosa 96. Highs will stay over 90 over the weekend, but again, the humidity values will be down. And around the region, everybody in the 90s, except where rain has been falling. Huntsville, with rain earlier today, they're down to 75. There is a heat advisory for about the southern two-thirds of the state, south of the Tennessee Valley through this evening. And around the nation, have excessive heat watches for parts of the high plain states now, as they will see some awfully hot weather in coming days. Here's the severe weather risks through tonight. In Alabama, a pretty good chunk of the state in either a level 1 or level 2 risk for the possibility of hail and strong winds with that boundary dropping south. And then tomorrow, a marginal risk over the southwestern corner of the state. But much of Alabama will be in very dry air tomorrow. There's a wider view tomorrow, marginal risks extending up into parts of Arkansas and Oklahoma and over parts of South Florida. And day 3, which is Sunday, no organized severe weather expected across the country. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. And really after these storms this evening, it looks pretty dry for a while here. And there might be a day or two next week toward the end of the week with isolated storms, but widespread rain, probably not. And the tropics, really quiet, except for that little disturbance that's near the coast of Central America that will be drifting inland and will likely dissipate. No issues for the Gulf of Mexico anytime soon. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 4. Got a 591 upper high north and west of the state. Again, a northerly flow aloft and a nice dry air mass. A sunny day. Humidity values are down. Highs in the low 90s in most spots. This is Sunday. We'll probably see some 50s for the cooler pockets early Sunday morning. The high Sunday, again, low 90s. Humidity values not bad at all. Monday, low to mid 90s. Tuesday, mid to upper 90s. And Wednesday, we'll probably be flirting with 100. But the moisture awfully limited. The dew point's not especially high, so heat index values might be lower than this week. Same thing on Thursday. And a week from today, Friday the 24th, upper high on top of us, and again, mostly hot, dry with only isolated storms. We'll go out 10 days. This is Monday, June 27th. Looks like the heat tries to shift west. Got a 597 ring over the Four Corners back in the southwest United States. And if this is right, classic June weather. Partly sunny, hot, humid, a few scattered random storms. Rain for Birmingham off the GFS ensemble, the mean between 1 and 2 inches. But needless to say, your number will vary because of the random, scattered nature of summer storms. Heat levels rising next week. You can see the NBM, the National Blend of Models, suggesting highs near 100 for the latter half of the week, then slowly backing down after that. And hot off the presses, got the brand new 8 to 14 day outlook. This is for June 25th through July 1st. Temperatures above average, rain near average for Alabama and the Deep South. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. While I've notes on the blog, I'll be taking next week off. So my next Weather Xtreme video coming up in about 10 days or so. So thanks for watching. Catch us on the news this evening if you can. ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.
Sinking driveway? Call Alabama Professional Services. Settling patio? Call APS. Uneven pool deck? Call APS. Collapsing stoop? Call APS. Cracking sidewalk? That's right. Call APS. It's a fact. Concrete problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.